Hi students, so welcome to the next session. In previous session we finished up to 43 questions. We'll continue next one, 44. The solution of sine inverse x minus sine inverse 2x is equal to plus or minus pi by 3. Here we need to find the solution, means x value we need to find out. For easy purpose, sine inverse x minus sine inverse 2x in the place of plus or minus pi by 3, where sine is pi by 3 is possible at root 3 by 2. That's why we can write this is sine inverse of plus or minus root 3 by 2. Now interchange these two. Now sine inverse x minus sine inverse of plus or minus root 3 by 2 is equal to sine inverse 2x. This is clearly in the form of sine inverse x minus sine inverse y formula, that is sine inverse of x into root of 1 minus y square. What is the y here? Plus or minus root 3 by 2. Whole square means you will get 3 by 4 minus plus or minus root 3 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square is equal to sine inverse 2x. By comparing both sides, here sine inverse cancel. Here what? X into root of, take LCM, 4 minus 3, 1 by 4. Root of 1 by 4 is called 1 by 2. Here clearly this is plus or minus root 3 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square equal to 2x. This is clearly what we'll get here, x by 2 we'll get. This x by 2 take right side. Now what we'll get? Plus or minus root 3 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square equal to 2x minus x square, x by 2. By taking LCM, what we'll get here? Plus or minus root 3 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square equal to, you'll get 3x by 2. Now 2 gets cancelled. To simplify this, squaring on both sides, plus or minus whole square is plus only, root 3 whole square is 3 into 1 minus x square equal to 9x square. 3 ones are 3 3s are. Now 1 minus x square equal to 3x square. Now take minus x square right side, what you will get? 1 equal to 4x square, x square equal to 1 by 4. Here they given both values sequence, they given plus or minus both given. That's why from this x value what you will get? Plus or minus root 1 by 4 is you will get 1 by 2. That is the option D is the correct one. Next, question number 45. The range of f of x, where f of x equal to cos inverse of x square into cos 1 plus sin 1 into root of 1 minus x power 4. This value is given. This one we need to find range of this function. Cos inverse of x square into cos 1 plus this sin 1 I can write 1 root of 1 minus cos square 1 into root of 1 minus x power 4, you can write x square whole square. Clearly this is in the form of cos inverse of x into y plus root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square. This is the formula for which one? Now it can be negative or positive, that's why taking modulus absolute value we need to get. That's why modulus of cos inverse x minus cos inverse y. Cos inverse y means cos inverse of cos 1. Now here modulus of cos inverse x square minus cos inverse 1 is 1 only clearly. Now as for this here, what they are asking, range value we need to find out. Now when modulus if you consider, cos inverse range is generally what? As a domain if you take x value minus 1 to plus 1. But when you consider modulus, it is from 0 to 1 only. That's why the minimum value what you will get here, clearly the minimum is at 0, maximum will take at 1. The one consideration if you take cos inverse 1, we know how much you will get, 0 will get. That's why Now x square clearly belongs to 0 to 1. X is from 0 minus 1 to plus 1 only, but x square means we'll take from 0 to 1 only. Now you'll substitute first 0, the range we need to find out. So when you will get this become 0 clearly. Now cos inverse 0, if you take here what pi by 2 some value you will get. The minimum value what you will get here clearly, the minimum you will get clearly 0. The maximum where you will get at 1. That is modulus of cos inverse of 1 minus 1. That is 0, comma. Cos inverse of 1 is what clearly 0, because cos 1 at which angle? At 0 angle. That's why modulus of 0 minus 1. Now from this what I can take range 0 to 1 is the range of this given function. That's why option A is the correct one. Question number 46. Now tan of pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos inverse A by B plus tan of pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse of A by B. This value we need to find out. Now for easy purpose I will consider this 1 by 2 cos inverse of A by B is A. From this, now what you will get here? Tan of pi by 4 plus A plus tan of pi by 4 minus A. Now tan of, this is like tan of A plus B, tan A plus tan B, tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A into tan B, tan pi by 4 is 1, that's why we will get only tan A plus here 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A. What is LCM here clearly? 1 minus tan A into 1 plus tan A, cross multiply. What will you get? 1 plus tan A whole square plus 1 minus tan A whole square by denominator is clearly 1 minus tan A into 1 plus tan A. Now A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is clearly 2 times of A square plus B square. 1 square is 1 only by what? A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. Now actually cos 2A formula is 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. Here reverse is there, that's why this we can write 2 by cos 2A, because reverse condition is, that's why. From this we can find out cos 2A. Take 2 this side, what will you get? 2A equal to cos inverse of A by B. Now cos 2A what will you get from this? Clearly A by B. Now substitute here, what will you get? 2 by A by B. Now B will comes to numerator, what will you get answer? 2B by A. Now 2B by A is the answer, that is option B is the correct one. So next, question number 47. Now question number 47, f of x equal to sine inverse root 3 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square. Now this we can simplify. How to simplify this function? Now sine inverse of x into this we can consider, if substitute for example x is equal to sine theta, take for easy purpose x equal to sine theta. If x is equal to sine theta, what will you get here? Sine inverse of x means sine theta. We need to convert this one into sine of A minus B formula. In the place of root 3 by 2 I can write cos pi by 6 minus now root of 1 minus sine square theta into, in the place of 1 by 2 I can write sine pi by 6, sine 30. Now sine inverse of sine theta into cos pi by 6. Now 1 minus sin square is cos square. Root of cos square is cos theta only into sin pi by 6. Now it is changed into sin of a minus b formula. A is theta, b is pi by 6. Sin inverse of sin of theta minus pi by 6. Sin inverse gets cancelled. Theta minus pi by 6. From this theta what you will get? Theta clearly sin inverse x. Now finally the required value is sin inverse x minus pi by 6, that is option B is the correct one. So next question number 48. If x belongs to open interval 0, 1, then the value of tan inverse 1 minus x square by 2x plus cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. First of all, this one you can simplify. How to change this one in terms of tan inverse? By using property pi by 2 minus, we can write cot inverse of 1 minus x square by 2x. This already we have formula cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, formula what? 2 tan inverse x. Now again from this pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, how to change in terms of cot inverse, how to change tan inverse? Now cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 1 by x, that is 2x by 1 minus x square plus 2 tan inverse x. Again tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, which formula? 2 tan inverse x formula. Now this both gets cancelled. What is the required value? You will get pi by 2. Now that is option C is the correct one. Next question number 49. Given sum of sin inverse of x minus 1 plus cos inverse of x minus 3 plus tan inverse of x by 2 minus x square is equal to cos inverse k plus pi. Here we need to find the value of k. Now which value of x we need to consider to simplify this? For that, already we know the domain of sin inverse. Domain means the x value. The x value clearly lying between minus 1 to plus 1. So if finding x, add 1 on all sides, minus 1 plus 1 0, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. Similarly, what is the domain of cos inverse? Same, minus 1 to plus 1. Take minus 3, other sides will get plus 3, minus 1 plus 3, 2, less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Clearly in these two values, what is the common value here? X equal to 2. X less than 2 is x greater than 2 is there. But what is the common value here? Clearly x is equal to 2. At 2 only this equation will satisfy. Now substitute these 2 in equation 1. From 1, sin inverse of 2 minus 1, that is 1. Cos inverse of 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Plus tan inverse of 2 by 2 minus 4 is equal to cos inverse k plus pi. Sin inverse 1 means sin 1 at which angle? Pi by 2. Cos inverse of minus 1 means cos minus 1 at which angle? Pi clearly. Now we have 2 by 2 minus 4 minus 2. Now 2 by minus 2 is clearly minus 1. That is tan inverse of minus 1 equal to cos inverse k plus pi. Now pi gets cancelled. Now pi by 2. Tan inverse of minus 1 means minus tan inverse 1, that is minus pi by 4 is equal to cos inverse k. This is 90 minus 45. 90 minus 45 clearly 45. That's why cos inverse k equal to pi by 4. K equal to what? Take cos that side, cos inverse, it becomes cos pi by 4. What is the cos 45 value? Clearly 1 by root 2. Now, in which option 1 by root 2 is there? Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 50 is also same model. Question number 50, expression sin inverse of 1 minus x cos inverse of root of x minus 2 can take the value. That value we need to find out. For that, we don't know x value first of all. We need to find x value. Now to find x value clearly we know the domain of sine is minus 1 to plus 1. Now one take other side, what will you get? Minus 2 less than or equal to minus x less than or equal to 0. Now multiply with minus, then what will you get? Inequality changes. Finally 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to, you will get 2. Next here, root of value means domain, we have here clearly root of x minus 2. Root value clearly we are not taking negative, we are taking from 0 to 1 only. That's why here we are taking 0 less than or equal to root of x minus less than or equal to 1. By squaring on both sides, all sides, what will get? 0 less than or equal to x minus 2 less than or equal to 1. Add 2 for all values, 0 plus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Again here, what is the common value for both intervals? X is equal to 2 is the common interval. By substituting there, what will you get? Sine inverse of 1 minus, that is clearly minus 1, plus cos inverse of 2 minus 2 clearly 0. Sine inverse of minus 1 is called minus sine inverse 1, cos inverse 0. Sine inverse 1 means what is the angle? Pi by 2. Cos inverse 0 means cos 0 at which angle? Pi by 2. So a minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. What is the value of given expression? Clearly 0. That is option A is the correct one. Next, question number 51. The given sine inverse is from closed interval minus 1 to 1 domain, and the range they changed to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. This is also one of the principal branch. Okay. Similarly, cos inverse is given minus 1 to 1 tends to 0 to pi is given. Here then both are bisective functions respectively. Inverses of bisective functions given reverse of this and reverse of this only. And they are asking sin inverse x plus cos inverse x they are asking. Okay. For finding that, let's consider sin inverse x is theta. From this, x is equal to what we will get here? Clearly sin theta value wise. Here this theta is lying from where to where? Theta clearly lying in between pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 value wise. Now consider this cos inverse. Cos inverse x equal to cos inverse of what is x value clearly here? Sin theta. Finally, we need to find out sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. They given options equal to pi by 2, equal to pi, equal to 3 pi by 2 and not a constant. Okay. Now, cos inverse of, generally for pi by 2 it will be satisfied because sin theta we can write cos of pi by 2 minus theta. But it should be satisfied for complete interval. When minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, no issue, you can find out easily. Generally sin inverse x plus cos inverse x directly pi by 2 we can write as per property also. But here the range is changed here. What? Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. That's why cos is negative in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant means what is the angle you will get? 3 pi by 2 minus theta. But we need plus sign. That's why if you write this one in terms of cos means cos of 3 pi by 2 minus theta, but this is a negative will come, minus sin theta will come. To balance this I am taking minus. Because minus cos of 270 minus theta is plus sin theta will get. Now from this cos inverse of minus x is a minus cos inverse x. That's why, sorry, pi minus, cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse. That's why pi minus cos inverse of cos of 3 pi by 2 minus theta. From this, now what will get here? Pi here, cos inverse cos gets cancelled. Pi minus 3 pi by 2 minus of minus plus theta. Here required value is what here? Clearly, we need the value sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Okay. Now, cos inverse x, pi minus 3 by 2, take LCM, 2 pi minus 3 pi, that is clearly minus pi by 2, plus theta means what here? Sin inverse x. But we need the sum of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. That's why add both sides with sin inverse x. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to both side adding. That's why here what will get? Minus pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. Is this equal to pi by 2? No, it is not equal to pi. It is not equal to 3 pi by 2. It is not a constant also, because there is a variable function here. That's why which option is correct? It's clearly option D is the correct one, because the value of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is not a constant. Next, question number 52. Now question number 52, the function f of x equal to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, g of x are identical. These both are identical, that means both are same, values are same. Then we need to find in the following options which is gives g of x is equal to f of x. Both will be identical. Now according to the property, this value how much? Clearly pi by 2. Now which option we are considering? That value also we need to get pi by 2 only. Now I am taking the third option because remaining not gives exact values. If we take option C, option C, if you consider that is g of x, what is going option C? Mod of sin inverse x plus cos inverse of mod x. Here the conditions will be, we know clearly this for both. What is the domain? X is clearly belongs to closed interval minus 1 to 1. But here nature will be changes in this case. We need to split this function into two parts. If you take from minus 1 to less than 0, what will get? For negative value, sin inverse of minus x, clearly negative will come, that's minus sin inverse x. For negative values, mod x will becomes minus x. That's why this clearly will becomes cos inverse of minus x. If you simplify this, minus sin inverse x, cos inverse of minus x is formula what? Pi minus cos inverse x. This value only I am finding. Okay. Now what will get from this? Pi minus take from these two, what will get? Minus of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Pi minus pi by 2, what is the value? Pi by 2. First case. Condition number 1, if we split also, we got same value, g of x value. Next, same g of x value, from where to have to take 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. From 0 to 1, clearly this is a positive, this is also positive. Sign never change. That's why what will get here? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Now what is the value? Clearly pi by 2. Now this option C, what you consider function, for negative values we got pi by 2 only. For 0 to 1 also we got pi by 2 only. That's why this is identical to the f of x. That's why we need to consider option C is the correct one. Next, question number 53. The solution set of the inequality. What is inequality is given? Sin x plus cos inverse x minus of cos inverse cos x minus cos inverse x greater than or equal to pi by 2. Clearly, for this equation inequality, x clearly domain is from minus 1 to plus 1. They are not given, but these values will satisfy overall condition. Now simplify. Sin inverse sin x minus cos x plus what here, cos inverse x minus into minus plus first value given what, cos inverse, second value sin inverse. This is sin inverse. First value cos inverse, second value sin inverse. Now minus of minus what will get, plus sin inverse x greater than or equal to pi by 2. Here we need to find the solution set, interval we need to find out. Sin x minus cos x plus, what is the formula for this? Clearly pi by 2 is greater than or equal to pi by 2. Now pi by 2 gets cancelled. Here what? Sin x minus cos x greater than or equal to 0. Take minus cos x, right side will becomes plus. Sin x greater than or equal to cos x. Now divide cos x on both sides. What will get here? Tan x greater than or equal to 1. Now tan x greater than or equal to 1 means what? Tan x is greater than or equal to tan pi by 4. From this what we can write? X is greater than or equal to pi by 4. Minimum value we got. But how to find maximum? We don't know. Already we know the domain of inequality. What is the domain of inequality? Clearly x value belongs to closed interval minus 1 to 1. In this, all values are not satisfying. Reason, if you take from minus 1 to 0, the inequality will not satisfy. For example, take 0 only. In between minus 1 to plus 1, 0 also there. Na? If you take x value 0, substitute in this. Sin 0, 0, okay. Cos inverse of 0, minus cos 0, 1, minus of minus plus, sin inverse of 0. Cos inverse 0 how much? Clearly pi by 2, minus 1. Sin inverse of 0, 0 only. E is greater than or equal to pi by 2. Both will satisfy? No. This is less and is not equal also. That's why from more than 0 if you take, pi by 4 value if you change into number, you will get some 0.78 something. Okay, na? Already minimum value we got. X is greater than or equal to pi by 4. Maximum minus 1 to 0 if you take any value, this inequality will not satisfy. That's why we are taking more than 0 up to maximum 1. More than 0, already minimum value how much we got here? Pi by 4. And what is the maximum value? Clearly 1. That's why from minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0 equal to 0 also. Inequality not satisfied. That's why solution, we are taking solution set. X belongs to closed interval pi by 4 comma 1. This is pi by 4. If you convert into numbers, you will get 0.78 something. That's why up to 0 it is not satisfied. So more than 0 we are taking from pi by 4 to 1. Now option C is the correct one. Question number 54. 54, what is given? Theta equal to cot inverse of minus x minus tan inverse x plus secant inverse x. Then the value of sin inverse of sin theta we need to find out. Okay. Now from this, cot inverse of minus x formula what? Pi minus cot inverse x minus tan inverse x plus secant inverse x as per the value. Here theta equal to pi minus. If you take minus common in this 2, what? Minus of tan inverse x plus cot inverse, that's clearly what is the value? Pi by 2 plus secant inverse x. Pi minus pi by 2, what is the value? Clearly pi by 2 plus secant inverse x. Now here we need to find sine inverse of sin theta. Sine inverse of sin theta, how to find in this case? Sine inverse of sine, what is the theta value here clearly? Pi by 2 plus secant inverse x. Now, from this sine inverse of, again the value they are asking in terms of theta only, sine of sine 90 plus theta, what will you get? Cos theta, that is cos of secant inverse x. Now again, how to simplify this condition here? If you convert this in terms of secant inverse x, what will you get here from this? Pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, now theta we got here pi by 2 plus secant inverse x. But this theta we need to substitute in terms of sine inverse of sin theta. Now actually what is the domain of or for example range only take the range of secant inverse x. What actually secant inverse x is belongs to clearly from where to where? Closed interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2. But the expression what is there here? Pi by 2 plus secant inverse x. If we add on both sides pi by 2 plus secant inverse x for interval and for this set also. By adding for this, what will you get? 0 plus pi by 2, pi by 2. Pi plus pi by 2, clearly 3 pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is clearly pi will get. Now this is actually theta. This theta belongs to pi by 2 comma 3 pi by 2 minus pi. But when you apply for this sine inverse of sin theta, here theta compulsory belongs to from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 only. But it is more than pi by 2 is there. To reduce that, we need to write here sine inverse of sine. In the place of theta, we need to write pi minus theta. If you check once, pi minus pi by 2 will get pi by 2 only. Pi minus 3 pi by 2 will get minus pi by 2. That's why we'll get into the range only. That's why here by simplifying these two, what is the value you'll get here? Pi minus theta, that is option A is the correct one. Next, question number 55. Sum of all values solutions of the equation sin inverse x plus sin inverse of 1 minus x square equal to cos inverse x plus cos inverse of 1 minus x square. We need to find sum of all the solutions. Now try to convert these two also in terms of sin inverse. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse of 1 minus x square equal to, how to convert this one? Pi by 2 minus sin inverse x plus pi by 2 minus sin inverse of 1 minus x square. By taking these two terms left side, total how many terms will get? 2 terms will get. 2 times of sin inverse x plus sin inverse of 1 minus x square. Now pi by 2 plus pi by 2 will clearly get pi. Now take this to that side, it becomes pi by 2. Now what remaining? Sin inverse x plus sin inverse of 1 minus x square equal to pi by 2. Now take this sin inverse x right side. Now what will get remaining? Sin inverse of 1 minus x square equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Sin inverse of 1 minus x square equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x value, what clearly? Cos inverse x. Now to compare these two, right side value convert in terms of sin inverse. Already we given how to convert cos inverse x in terms of sin inverse. Sin inverse of root of 1 minus x square by using Right angle triangle concept also will get same. By comparing 1 minus x square equal to root of 1 minus x square. Now squaring on both sides, what you will get here? 1 minus x square whole square equal to 1 minus x square. Now take this term, don't cancel, you will get solutions more. So by taking this side, or directly cancel out also no problem. So 1 minus x square equal to 0, x square equal to 1, x equal to you will get plus or minus 1. Sum of these solutions. Now sum of solutions have two solutions, plus 1 and minus 1. Sum what you will get here clearly 0, that is option C is the correct one. Next, question number 56. If sin inverse x whole square minus cos inverse x whole square equal to a into pi square, then the range of a we need to find out. This clearly in the form of a square minus b square. This we can write a plus b into a minus b is equal to a into pi square. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x value clearly how much? Pi by 2 into sin inverse x. Cos inverse x we can write pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Convert into one function only. Equal to a pi square. Now 1 pi value gets cancelled. Cross multiply 2. What will get here? Sin inverse x minus pi by 2 minus of minus plus sin inverse x is equal to 2a pi. Now 2 sin inverse x. Take this minus pi by the right side. 2a pi plus pi by 2. Now 2 also take that side. What will you get? Sin inverse x equal to 2 gets cancelled. A pi plus pi by 4. Already we know that the range of sin inverse x, what? Minus pi by 2 less than or equal to sin inverse x less than or equal to pi by 2. Here we need to find a range. Now in the place of sin inverse x we can write a pi plus pi by 4. That's why minus pi by 2 less than or equal to a pi plus pi by 4 less than or equal to pi by 2. Now subtract with pi by 4. Minus pi by 2 minus pi by 4 less than or equal to a pi less than or equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 4. Now minus 90 minus 45 minus 135, that is clearly minus 3 pi by 4 less than or equal to a pi less than or equal to 90 minus 45, that is 45. Now all terms pi is gets cancelled. Now what will get here? Minus 3 by 4 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 1 by 4. Finally a is belongs to closed interval, closed bracket I have to take here because equal to is there, comma 1 by 4. Now closed interval minus 3 by 4 comma 1 by 4, which option? Option A. Next, question number 57. The exhaustive set of all values of A for which A minus cot inverse 3x equal to 2 tan inverse 3x. Next, plus cos inverse x root 3 plus sin inverse x root 3. Here we need to find may have solution in which set we need to find out clearly. Okay, na? Now in this, take this cot inverse right side, A equal to 2 tan inverse, I can write tan inverse 3x. This will come this side, cot inverse 3x and one more tan inverse 3x. This value clearly here for this sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, the domain is clearly this lying between from -1 to +1, because sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, x belongs to -1 to +1. That's why this x root 3 clearly lying between from -1 to +1. As for property, this value how much? Clearly pi by 2. A equal, this also how much? Pi by 2 plus tan inverse 3x plus pi by 2. Now pi by 2 plus pi by 2, what will get? Clearly pi plus tan inverse 3x. Because for this domain is real numbers. Here -1 to +1. What is a common domain? This is only common domain. Reason, in real numbers -1 to +1 also there. That's why to get this 3x, already we know the domain. What is the domain here? -1 less than or equal to x root 3 less than or equal to 1. First we need 3x angle. For that, what we are taking here? Multiply with root 3. Minus root 3 less than or equal to root 3 into root 3, that is 3x less than or equal to root 3. We need to get this function. For that, we got first the value of x is 3x. Now take tan inverse on all sides. Tan inverse of minus root 3 less than or equal to tan inverse of 3x less than or equal to tan inverse of root 3. Here tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse x, that is minus at where it is pi root 3 pi by 3 less than or equal to tan inverse of 3x less than or equal to pi by 3. To get this, which one I have to add here? Pi. Add pi on all sides. Pi minus pi by 3 less than or equal to pi plus tan inverse of 3x less than or equal to pi plus pi by 3. Now pi minus pi by 3, what is the value? 2 pi by 3 less than or equal to. Now this total value what? A less than or equal to pi plus pi by 3 is 4 pi by 3. Now the A having solution set in this 2 pi by 3 comma 4 pi by 3, that is option C is the correct one. Question number 58. F of x equal to tan inverse of root 3x minus 3x by 3 root 3 plus x square plus tan inverse of x by root 3. The x value lying from 0 to 3, okay. They are asking options, least value of x or greatest value of x. They are asking least value and greatest value. We need to simplify this. Tan inverse of. Now divide with the numerator and denominator with 3 root 3. Root 3x by 3 root 3 minus 3x by 3 root 3 by 3 root 3 by 3 root 3 x square by 3 root 3 plus tan inverse of x by root 3. Tan inverse of, here root 3 gets cancelled, 3 cancel, this overall value gets cancelled. What is the first value? X by 3 minus x by root 3 by 1 plus x square, we can write x into x. X by 3 one value, x by root 3 another value plus tan inverse of x by root 3. This is clearly in the form of tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus x into y. Formula of which one? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. That is tan inverse of x by 3 minus tan inverse of x by root 3 plus tan inverse of x by root 3. These two values gets cancelled. Actually, what is f of x value? Clearly tan inverse of x by 3. But already x value given, x value from already what they given, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Now we need x by 3 value, that's why dividing on all side with 3. Apply tan inverse because we need the least and highest value of f of x. To get this function, apply tan inverse. Tan inverse of 0 less than or equal to tan inverse of x by 3 less than or equal to tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 0 is 0. Less than or equal, this is completely which one? F of x. Less than or equal tan inverse of 1 means pi by 4. Least value is 0, highest value is pi by 4. Pi by 4 is not used in one option also, that's why option C, the least value of f of x is what? 0, that is option C is the correct one. Next, question number 59. X, Y, Z are natural numbers such that cot inverse x plus cot inverse y equal to cot inverse z. Then the number of ordered triplets x comma y comma z that satisfy the equation we need to find out. Now we don't have any formula for cot inverse directly, that's why convert into tan inverse. Tan inverse of 1 by x, tan inverse of 1 by y, tan inverse of 1 by z. Left side clearly in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x into y. By comparing, what is the LCM for numerator and denominator? X, y only. That's why numerator what you will get? Y plus x by x, y gets cancelled by taking LCM. Here x, y minus 1 equal to 1 by z. Cross multiply yz plus zx equal to xy minus 1. Now from this try to find x value, that's why 1 take this side, zx take right side, or take this side only. Zx minus xy is equal to minus of 1 plus yz, because yz becomes negative. Take x comma z minus y equal to minus of 1 plus yz. Now x is equal to minus of 1 plus yz by z minus y. If you simplify this, what will you get? 1 plus yz by y minus z. Here the clearly mentioned x, y, z are the natural numbers. For example, let us assume, for example, z is n if you take. And we need to get natural number, that's why next y I will take n plus 1. Reason denominator if you got other than 1 means that will becomes maybe other number, not natural number. That's why if you take y is n plus 1 minus n cancel, get 1. Numerator whatever you will get, that is clearly natural number only you will get. From this x value what will you get? 1 y into z, n square plus n, that is total n square plus n plus 1. Here how many values are possible? It's not limited, it's an infinite number of values, not finite values. Z1 if you take, y2, x3 will get, 2, 3 will get here, 2 square, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 7 will get. Like that, by taking n number of values you get n number of values for this solution set. That's why here how many solutions possible? Infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions possible by taking n different values. That's why option D is the correct one. Next, question number 60. It's a little bit lengthy. Alpha equal to tan inverse 1 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse 2 plus 1 by 3 tan inverse 3. Similarly, beta is given tan inverse 1 plus 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus 3 tan inverse of 1 by 3. But we need to find here modulus of alpha minus beta. See, first I will find out the value of tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3. Tan inverse of 1 clearly a what? Pi by 4. Here x and y both are greater than 0 and xy is greater than 1. When x into y greater than 1 means formula for tan inverse x tan inverse y is pi plus we will get. Pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Again I am telling tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, when xy is greater than 1 we will get. In that case pi plus we need to take. Already in properties we given formulas. Now pi plus pi by 4 clearly 5 pi by 4 plus tan inverse of 5 by minus 5. 5 pi by 4, tan inverse of, here 5 cancel, tan inverse of minus 1 means minus pi by 4 is the value. Now left side what is there? Tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of 2 plus tan inverse of 3. 5 pi by 4, LCM is 4. 5 pi minus pi, 4 pi by 4, that is clearly pi. Reason we are finding each and every value in terms of cot inverse, because every option they given in terms of cot inverse of 3. Okay. Now we need tan inverse of 2 value, we need to find out. For that, take right side, what you will get? Tan inverse of 2 equal to pi minus tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 3. Pi minus, this is clearly pi by 4. Tan inverse of 3 I am writing like this. Pi by 2 minus cot inverse 3 as per property. If x greater than 0 only, tan inverse x we can write pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. Pi minus pi by 4 clearly 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 2 minus of minus plus cot inverse 3. Take LCM. 135 minus 90. 45 will get. So 45 means how much? Clearly pi by 4 plus cot inverse 3. This tan inverse 3 we can change directly, no problem. Like this. Pi by 2 minus cot inverse 3. But tan inverse 2 we don't, that's why we are finding. Next, in beta what is given? Tan inverse of 1 by 2 also we can find out easily. How to find tan inverse of 1 by 2? This we can write pi by 2 minus cot inverse of 1 by 2. From this pi by 2, cot inverse of 1 by 2 we can write tan inverse of 2. Now from this tan inverse of 1 by 2 equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse of 2 already we got. How much? Pi by 4 plus cot inverse. That's why minus pi by 4 minus cot inverse 3. Now from this tan inverse of 1 by 2. Pi by 2 90 minus 45, that is 45. This is tan inverse of 1 by 2. Tan inverse of 1 by 2 directly cot inverse 3 only we can get easily. Now take alpha value. Alpha. You will find out alpha value now. Alpha what? Tan inverse of 1, that is first value pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2. What is the tan inverse of 2? Pi by 4 plus cot inverse 3 plus 1 by 3 into tan inverse of 3 we can write pi by 2 minus cot inverse 3. This value I am telling, okay? Pi by 4 plus pi by 8 plus 1 by 2 cot inverse 3 plus pi by 6 minus 1 by 3 cot inverse 3. For 4, 8, 6, what is LCM? 24. Now for these three values, 24 is LCM. Here how many times multiple? 6 times. 6 pi. Here 8 3s are 3 times. Here 4 times. By 24. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. LCM is 6. So here 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 6. That is plus 1 by 6 cot inverse 3. Total how much? 13 pi by 24 plus 1 by 6 cot inverse 3 is the alpha value. Next we need to find beta. Next beta, what is given? Beta is given tan inverse of 1 plus 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus 3 tan inverse of 1 by 3. Tan inverse of 1 how much? Clearly pi by 4. 2 into tan inverse of 1 by 2 already we got how much? Pi by 4 minus cot inverse 3. Minus cot inverse 3. Plus 3. Tan inverse 1 by 3 we can write directly what? Cot inverse of 3 we can write. Now here pi by 4. 2 into pi by 4, that is pi by 2. Minus 2 cot inverse 3 plus 3 cot inverse 3. 45 plus 90. 135, that is clearly 3 pi by 4. Minus 2 plus 3, that is only plus cot inverse 3. Beta. Actually, if we take alpha minus beta, we'll get negative. We'll make positive, no problem. Mod of alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta. First angles will subtract. 13 pi by 24 minus 3 pi by 4. Here, what is the coefficient? 1. Alpha minus beta. Here, what is the coefficient? 1 by 6. So, by taking cot inverse 3 common, 1 by 6 minus 1 into cot inverse 3. Modulus is there, no problem. 24, 4 LCM is what? 24. How many times multiple? 6 times. That's why 13 pi minus 6 3s are 18 pi by 24. LCM 6. 1 minus 6, that is minus 5 by 6 cot inverse 3. 13 pi minus 18 pi. Clearly minus 5 pi by 24. Minus 5 by 6 cot inverse 3. Overall minus common, modulus of negative becomes positive. Now finally we will get 5 pi by 24. Modulus not required because it will becomes positive only. 5 by 6 cot inverse 3. That is option A is the correct one. Now for inverse trigonometry also competitive finished. Now you need to complete the notes in separate competitive book. Now total 4 chapters we finished competitive relations, matrices, determinants and inverse trigonometry. Follow the properties and starting with given all definitions and formulas. As for formulas you need to complete the classwork and previous year questions also complete.